Hello, welcome to Natty's Crafts. I'm Natalie. I'll be doing all the crafting today. Today we're going to make two signs. One my sister asked, well, both my sister asked for. So this one is going to be a laundry collection type thing. And so what I'm going to do is use one of those banks. I think it's considered a bank from Dollar Tree. And we're just going to switch it up so it's for laundry instead. So we're going to start off by taking it apart. And Dollar Tree has made this very simple. You probably have seen other crafters do this, but they've made it very simple to make this all your own. And what I'm going to do is just use some 100% pure acetone, which is also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to smear that on those letters, and then I'm going to use the scraper, or is it a scraper? The spatula? The Cricut looking spatula, also from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to get all of those letters off because we're going to do our own little deal there. And then we're just going to clean it up. There's, obviously some remains there, so we got to clean all that mess up. And then we need to figure out what we want as the background. And I have no idea what she wanted. She just said, make me a laundry sign. So, okay, that's what I'll do. So I'm going to use this sparkly silver stuff. This book, I love this scrap paper book. It's got all kinds of glittery fun in it, so I love it. And that's what we're going to use here. So I'm just taking what was in the background of the bank, and I'm just going to trace that out, and that's what we're going to use as our new background. And that old one we don't need because it's just a cardstock, just like that new paper that I'm going to put in there. So I don't need the old one. So we're just going to cut it to size, and then we're going to run over to my silhouette. And I just made this. I didn't, buy anything. Well, I bought the hanger, the clothes hanger. I did buy that because I wanted a look to it. So I just went in, I typed in laundry, and I put $500 per load because that's what she said she wanted it to say, and that's what I did. And the silhouette is very easy to use, just like I suppose the Cricut is as well. And it is very helpful. You could, of course, use just regular stickers from Dollar Tree or Walmart or Target or wherever, and just do it like that as well. Now, you probably should have put the words on the glass, but that would mean you'd have to reverse the letters, and I completely forgot that until this point right here, actually. And I was putting that down. I was like, oh, why did I do it like this? But it's fine because then it's changeable. So if she gets sick of the silver glitter, then we just switch it out for something else. And then we're going to clean our glass again because now I got my fingerprints all over it. So we're going to do that again. And that's it. I mean, it was just that simple. That was like a 5-minute craft, depending on how quick you are with either letters or using a silhouette or Cricut. And it's cute. So her sons need to put their little change in the little bucket so she can go buy some laundry soap. So I thought that was cute. Now the next one is another sign for her. This one is for I don't remember what she said. I think she said a spa or something. I don't know. And so we're just going to put some words on there that say in session, please do not disturb. But we are going to sand these down. Now both of these, you've not seen both. You only seen one. This was from Walmart is what I'm trying to say. This little wood piece. I got a round one and I got this oval one, but she preferred the oval, so that's what I'm using. And I'm just going to sand it down so it's smooth, and then I'm going to paint it all white because our background on this one is going to be white. You know it's not from my house because it's not black, but anyway, we're going to do a white background. And then we're going to go back to our silhouette, and again, I'm just typing in the words. Now this one I did actually purchase the commercial letters so that there would be no problems. I mean, I'm not selling it, but it's going to be used, publicly, so I don't know. I just purchased it. And teal was going to be the letter choice. She wanted either a teal background or teal letters. I like teal letters better, so that's what I did. And we are going to go ahead and weed this out. Some people love watching the weeding process. I maybe am not one of those people. But I'm going to leave it on here for those of you that do enjoy it. So here we go. We're weeding. Actually, we haven't even gotten to that point yet. Okay, here we go. You still here? You still with me? So we're just going to weed out all those little letters. Now here's something for you for future reference. So you know they have the Dollar Tree fake Cricut tools, right? Well, they're not Cricut tools because every company makes them nowadays. But they have them. I do like the Cricut picker better than the Dollar Tree one. It's sharper. And I just measured out the wood piece there, measured the middle, and that's where I'm going to put the words, right in the middle. Or as best I can anyway. And then we're just going to go ahead and put that down. And I did put Mod Podge on this, again, since it's going to be going in an office type space or spa space. I do want it to stay together, look good, not, you know, fall apart, or I don't want those letters to come up at all. And then for the back, for the hanger, now I believe from what I saw, I believe this is going to go on a door. It's going to hang on a doorknob. So I needed to make the little tie long enough so that it can hang over the door. Now I did end up having to move the hooks up a little higher because it was leaning forward, which I would have realized if I would have just thought about it a little bit more, but I didn't. So I ended up having to pull it apart and move them up a little bit. But there you go. A cute little in-session sign. A therapist could use it. A spa could use it. Everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by Natty's Crafts. I do appreciate it. If you would, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course, most importantly, subscribe and hit the bell. If you don't hit the bell, you'll never know when a new video comes out, and I do appreciate you subscribers so much. I appreciate it so much, you just don't know. Anyway, thanks y'all. Y'all have a great one.